Hot chocolate is a great treat for winter. Welcome to Super Kid Universe. I'm Cohen. Today we're making hot chocolate. This is what you need. Hot water, cocoa mix, and toppings. I like to use chocolate chips and peppermint pretzels and whipped cream. Let's get started. Working with hot water is dangerous, so make sure you have adult supervision. First, 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. One. We need a nice big chunk. Oh yeah, that's good. Then we pour in hot water. Oh, about a cup. Okay, that's perfect. Now let's stir. And if you want it creamier, you can add milk. And perfect. Then give it a stir. Now we add toppings. I'll take one of these. Drop it in there. Oh yeah, that one can float. Grab a little bit of chocolate chips. Then put it in there. Whew. Wow, that's loud. Oh yeah. This is gonna overflow, I know it. Yummy. And now my favorite part, tasting it. Ah! If it's too hot, get a straw. Ugh. Yummy. What do you like to put in your hot chocolate? Thanks for watching Super Kid Universe. We'll see you next time.